In last video I told you the 10 service, right? So I explained 10 service and with examples. So today topic is 11th service, which is ECU reset. Which is ECU reset. ECU reset is a service is used to restart a particular ECU. Whatever the ECU you have, to restart the ECU or to start the ECU from the starting. So we have to use 11 service. So in this 11 service we have the different subfunctions, which is first one is hard reset, and second one is key off key on, and third is a soft reset. So what is the hard reset? To to use it to disconnect or reconnect the power or reinstalize the volatile memory, or reinstalize means here reinstall the volatile memory. So and soft reset, what is mean by soft reset? The immediately restart the app program, or immediately restart the app program, or whatever the program you are dumping to the ECU, we have to restart after immediately when we complete the dumping of code into ECU, to start immediately using the soft reset subfunction. And third one is key off key on, or ignition on or ignition off of the software. Here see, what is ignition on or ignition off means, whenever you have to start car, then only the ECU will activate, right? So same way we have to restart or power on power off the battery from the ECU. So here ECU reset service is used by the client to request the server request. See here, this service is used to requesting the server, whatever the server is, the server is there. So the client means here is the owner will requesting the server, and we can activate there, and we can set the ECU is reset. So as the server reset based on the content of reset type parameter value, for after successfully the server reset, the server shall activate the default session. For example, if you restart the ECU, then the ECU will be in which session? Default session, right? First default session, and default session to programming session to extended session to 11 service. We have to use reset. See here, in 11 service we have the message request format is the DLC, service ID, and subfunction. Sorry, see here, what are the message request format A in 11 service is DLC, subfunction, and service ID. What are the subfunction? What are the service IDs? We have to utilize these services from DLC here. See, this is DLC and this is service ID. Okay, this is the subfunction we used in this service. See, this is the TX message, means transmitting message, whatever the message you are giving the request to the ECU. Okay, this is the transmit message. What you are doing request 02 or 2. This is 02. See here, DLC is 2, and this is the subfunction, and this is the this is service ID, this is subfunction. Which subfunction you are using? Which service you are using? 10 service 01 means it is a default session. So whatever the ECU will give, ECU will receive whatever message you receiving from the ECU. See RX message. What is the RX message? See here, 50 means here 50. How will you get 50? Service ID plus 40. This is ISO certified. So we can't change this 40 value. So we can use service ID plus 40. So this is the 50. And what are the output from first P2 value? What is the P2 value? This is P2, sorry, this is subfunction 01. What are the subfunction you requested? 01, right? See here, 01 we request. So same subfunction we get. This is the, see here, this is the P2 value. Means what is this? This is the P2 P2 value. See here, this is P2 P2 star value, P2 star value. This is a P2 star value. This is the positive response. This is positive positive response. See, and I am sending the next. What is the next step? See here, what is the next ID? I am, what is the subfunction I am sending here? See here, I am sending, see, TX. So transmitting message. Whatever I am transmitting, 02 DLC. See here, this is service ID 10. This is subfunction, right? 03 I giving, means extended session I given. So what I get, what is the response I will get? See here, I will get, sorry, I missed here. Okay, see, I write here, here only I will write. So what are the output we are getting? See here, 6. This is DLC. And what are the service ID we get? So 40 plus 10. So we will get 50. Next, what are the subfunction you are using? 0, 3. So what is the output from positive response? 0, 1 and, sorry, not 0, 1. Wait a second. So see, not this 0, 1. So okay, 0, 0. See here, 0, 0, 3, 2. This is a P2 value. And 0, 1, F4. So this is the positive response from the this this request. So what you given the request, what which message you are sending? 0 to 10, 03. So what is the output? 6, 50, 03, means extended session. And this is the positive response for this. This is the positive response for this request. Okay, next, after the request we are giving the another request, means TX message. You are transmitting the message which is 02, means next service ID. What is the service ID? 11. We given 11 and we given the subfunction means 1. When we give the subfunction 1, so we will get RX message, right? What are the RX message we get? So 02, 51 and 01. There is no another data from here, because if you restarting, if the successfully restart, then we get same message. Okay, same message. What are the request you given? So adding plus 40 for the service ID and we will get same subfunction. Then it will, it is a positive response. For example, you given, see here, 03, right? This is DLC. Okay, 11. See here, 11 and 01 you given. See, this is your request. So whatever the ECU will send, means, see here, what ECU will send? ECU will send, see here, we can keep it DLC way, and what it get 51. It will get 51? No, it will not get 51, right? What it get? It means DLC, okay? Whatever the DLC we give, so DLC here and 7F. See here, why this 7F will get means every negative response, the ECU will follows before the 7F or 7F and service ID, whatever the service ID you given, and which NRC will get from this for this request. See, can you tell me, can you message in message box which NRC will get here? So means here we will get 13 or 12. Which NRC we will get? If you give the wrong or wrong NRC, see which we get, give the wrong DLC, which NRC will get? 13 NRC will get. See here 13 NRC means 13 NRC. See, we will get 13 NRC. So incorrect message length. What is 13 NRC means? Incorrect message length. See here, whenever the ECU reset is used to restart the particular ECU or all the ECUs in the vehicle. So we can use which ID we are using? 11 and 01. We can use 1101. So this is the 11th ECU. We will get 13 NRC. Okay. And one more thing, in this 11th NRC we have 11 service ID. So we have different of NRCs we will get in this 11 restart, means 11 service ID. And after that, that next service is 3 service. It is a tester present. For suppose if you want to stay in programming or extended session, first where we have to go? We have to go a programming session or extended session. If you want to go programming or extended session, is any one of the session we go, and we have to go the corresponding session, whatever the session we have to go. For example, you have to go programming session, right? When we go to the programming session, after that we have to enable or activate the tester present. After, when we go to programming session, if you give the service, 0 to 300, it will stay in only programming session. Still, if you put it tester present in programming session, after 2 days we start your work again. So what will we get? It will still in programming session only. It will goes back to, it will does not goes to default session. It will stay in which session? Tester present. So this is the use of tester present. This is the use of tester present. The what is the message request here? See, 0 to 300. See, DLC service ID sub function. This is message request. What are the message response we get? 03 7E 00. This is the positive response. See how it gets 73 means. See here 3E, right? 3E, right? So we can convert into alphabetical order. So what is the 3E here? What is the E here? Is a 5, right? So add from the 40. See, adding 40, right? So after this, see here, after adding this 40, service ID plus 40, right? So how will get 7E? So to add 3 plus, we had 3 plus 4. We will get 7, right? So every first number we have to add this first number, we will get 7e. This is the subfunction. So in this session timeout, what is session timeout means here, if you go to programming session, you are staying in programming session present. If you do not activate the tester present, after 5 seconds it will goes to default session again. So this is the session timeout. See here, I will explain the definition of the session time. If the client is not exchanging any data with the server from more than S3 timer value of approximately, which how many seconds? 5 seconds. Approximately 5 seconds. The server ECU will get disconnected from the safety purpose and automatically fall back to the default session. See here, when we are when we are connecting to the client will gives the time to change your response or change your, see whatever the response you are changing. So the client will gives the time. So after 5 seconds you not give the response to the client, the client server will takes your position, or where we are staying in position, stayed position to default position or default session. It will takes default session. This, how much time it will take? The time is called as a session timeout. So it is a 5 second for UDS. So it will activate for the safety purpose. For example, you are using to programming session, you have some other works in outside, you does not close your laptop or does not close your working uh, bench, and you went outside. So what will happen? The other person will came to fetch your data. So it's fault. If it is get any fault, it will react to your job, right? So what do you have to do? If you deactivate the tester present, it will directly goes to default session. So the whatever the another person is activate, another person is using your work profile, so he can't access the what is the present work. So we can get your work has saved. So this is the use of tester present. Okay, see here, I will give the example to this. Okay, see, this is, see, this is the service ID. Okay, this is request ID. What is the service ID? 03 0x 737 is a service ID. Okay, next 037F is a response ID. Okay, see here, I am using 02300. I added tester present, right? It is a tester present. So I will get the positive response. This is the positive response of a tester present, right? So what, how the negative present, negative response will get in these three service? We get, if you give the DLC wrong, which NRC we will get? 13 NRC, right? So it will follows DLC 7F followed by negative response. So service ID and NRC we will get. What are the NRC we will get? So it is a incorrect message length or invalid data or message length. This is the example for the 3 service, right? So next, okay, this is for today. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. If you get any doubts, please comment in comment section. And also, do you want more information? Please subscribe my channel and comment which topic do you want. Comment in comment section. I will make sure I will put a video on that comment for your comment. Thank you for watching this video.